Hello, welcome or welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today, I'm a little scared. It's so stormy out because we're doing this video, we're getting excited again. So let's be happy and think about the positive. Update, I did place an order on REM Beauty by Ariana Grande, and it's supposed to be coming in 2 weeks, so it's gonna be a little late, but the brand overview is coming. Pomegranate Thanksgiving Black Friday sale is currently already started. 25% off for orders over $50 and then 30% or something. So it's like if you want anything from Pat McGrath, now is the time. Today it's all about Married Beauty, relatively new brand to Sephora. This is seriously minimalist makeup. If you're into having a very natural layer of makeup that nobody can detect, this is your vibe. Okay, let me tell you a backstory. So you know how natural I am with makeup, right? Recently, I'm even more and more natural because I am a real estate agent now. By day, makeup YouTuber by night. So I have to be content with my look and I have to be professional. Although I love Pat McGrath, this is an example, okay? I'm not targeting Pat McGrath today, I promise. But like even this, the Vine Rose one, I have a review. This is overwhelming to me. This is like the most natural palette from her, but it's still a lot. You know what I'm saying? So when I saw this brand popping up in Sephora, I was very intrigued. I was very interested. And then they reach out to me and say, oh, Lam, if you want, we will send you our whole range of products and you can review them. No strings attached. So here we are. They send me a beautiful box. Less is more. See, it's already my vibes. No strings attached, okay? So my opinions are completely honest. And I did a very beautiful, in my opinion, unboxing video on my new TikTok account. Yes, I only have one follower, so go follow me, please. Let me make some friends on there. My brain is like mushy today for some reason and I cannot talk, so excuse me. But yes, they sent me this beautiful box of products that today we are going to try out together. And in this, there is a note. The antidote to the oversaturated world of beauty. I can't agree more. First, I just want to thank you, Married Beauty, for sending me all these products, and I'm so excited. We make well-edited essentials that have earned a place on your vanity. Self-care should be safe, so we created products that are clean and high performing. Finished production in 2020, but you know what happened last year, so that got delayed. The world has changed rapidly and people's trend with makeup changed too. You know how now we all work from home, we wear masks all the time. I don't even like to wear foundation anymore because they kind of get everywhere on the mask. So makeup has become more and more minimal to me, who is already minimal from the beginning. Back to the brand. Merit Beauty makes products that are safe for the skin, the body, and the planet. It means that it's free of 1,328 common toxins, artificial, fragrance-free, and sensitive skin safe. Cruelty-free, vegan, recyclable packaging, reusable makeup bag. I love that. Immediately you can see my skin is freaking out for some reason. It's probably my new career's fault. So let's get started and fix this right away. The first thing I want to talk about is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Foundation and Concealer Stick. This is $38 and I have the shade Sand. Pretty light packaging but still feels sturdy and fancy and luxurious. A lightweight medium coverage complexion stick with a natural finish to replace both foundation and concealer in your makeup bag. Medium coverage, how to use. Swipe directly onto your skin from the applicator and buff out using number 1 brush. So you can't tell what's you and what's the makeup. Sounds like my catchphrase right there. They also sent me the brush number 1 tapered blending brush to use with the foundation, and that's $30. So the products comes in these beautiful boxes, cardboard, so it's recyclable. Very nice. So this is the brush. It's very soft, so I'm excited. I'm just gonna use this Nude Gasm palette from Charlotte Tilbury as a mirror. I have a review for this too, of course. I'm gonna do what they say to do. And we pray that it works. I can't tell if there's makeup. So Let's see if we can cover up the dark circle a little bit more and my beard a little bit more. So easy to blend. I never had good luck with stick foundation, but this one is different. It's like because the texture is so thin and the coverage is so minimal that it works. I don't know. This side has the complexion stick and this side has nothing. Can you see the difference? Just look at the redness around my nose. You can see the difference. Look at the under eye concealer. You can see the difference. Look at the darkness on my forehead. There's a slight difference as well. I really can't tell the foundation where it ends when it's where it started because it's so natural. Let me finish the whole face and I'll be back. Guys, I swear I am not hyping them up because they send me these products. By the way, this is my first ever Sephora brand PR box. That's kind of a big deal. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful. But that aside, I'm not trying to hype it up. I swear. This is really, really good. You can tell. It's dewy, but it's not like a heavy kind of a dewiness. It's not like sticky or anything. It feels like skin. It doesn't feel like anything. On top of it, this brush is so soft and magical. I don't say that lightly because I hate using brushes for my foundation. I don't know if it's the brush, if it's the complexion stick, or it's the combination of both, but they're so good. They're so quick, easy. I just basically did the same thing on this side as this side, and I can totally pile this on one more layer to get some more coverage out of it without looking crazy, feeling heavy, or have everything started breaking apart or anything weird. I can tell immediately. Now, the only thing I'm not sure about is how long this will last. I'm not sure. I will have to update you in another video with that, but we need to move on. My new favorite already. I've heard from people that when I'm happy, they can see it in my eyes, and I hope you can see it through the lens. Flush Balm Cream Blush, shade Beverly Hills. Packaging honestly kind of remind me a little bit of Milk makeup, but I feel like this is more my vibe because this color story, the neutral tones are more my vibes. So this is supposed to be a peachy shade, a foolproof, flexible balm that deposits a creamy, transparent veil of color to let your skin show through. Oh, it's very creamy. So that's the color. It almost feels on my hand like a sheer kind of lip balm. Very interesting texture. I'm going to use my finger to dab it on my face. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, this also reminds me of M Beauty as well, you know, from Michelle Phan. M Cosmetic, I think is the official name. And now I'm going to use the same brush and blend it out a little bit. I'm not swiping, I'm just dabbing it to blend it out. So far, another thing I like about these products so far, okay, is the fact that they're buildable. They're not intense at the beginning, but when you start getting to the second layer, you definitely see them building up. I have such high cheekbones. I want to kind of tone them down a little bit. Putting blush on the top of your cheekbone will soften bone structure a little bit. I know some people say the cheekbones is really good, but sometimes I don't really like that because they stand out too much and they make my face so angled. You don't really see that I have blush on right now. A plus on the blush. I'm not sure if this is a soft peach though. I feel like it's more pink than peach, at least on my skin tone, but it works really well. Oh, I have a highlighter stick too, you guys. A Day Glow highlighting balm for $30. Color Cava, which is a champagne. There's a deeper shade as well, but I feel like this one's gonna be perfect for me. Let me show you how it looks right here. Sheer lightweight moisturizing highlighter made for daytime wear that visibly illuminates your skin for a dewy glow with zero sparkle. Similar texture to the blush. Very soft moisturizing. Just gonna go directly on my skin this time. And then blend it out. Yeah, it's extremely natural. This is the highlight. Stop that. This is with just the blush. You can already see it's glowy. So technically you don't really need the highlighter, but the highlighter just bring it to another level. And it looks healthy. I do not see any sparkles. To be honest though, when I look very closely in the swatch here in my hand, I can see this, not sparkles, but like shimmer. But it's tiny, tiny, tiny particles of shimmers. And it layers so well with everything underneath. It doesn't look weird or anything. I definitely can go to town with this without any worries. Mirror, mirror on the camera, who is the glowiest queen of them all? I did add a little bit of an eyeliner because they don't have an eyeliner. McQueen New York Waterproof Pencil Gel Liner that I reviewed in my Korean beauty try-on video. Make sure you check that out. The blush onto my upper lid as my very light natural shadow. Now we're ready to move on. The Brow 1980 Volumizing Eyebrow Pomade Gel. For 24 US dollars, I have the shade Brown, a tinted gel designed to give you your most face framing brows yet, shaping, grooming, and adding hold for a fuller, more natural look. Hi Monster Truck. It looks like a typical brow gel. And let's try to brush up our brows now. You all know how I feel about that. It's impossible to lift my brow up. It's not crazy tinted, so it looks natural. I have used brow gels that are way too tinted, so the moment I make an accident, it's just kind of like going crazy. Definitely not a laminated brow look, but it definitely holds them up. And it's kind of making my brows fuller, don't you think? In the most natural way. Again, I'm not trying to hype them up. The thing that I am most excited about are these two lip pieces right here. That's why I got two of them. A shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil, $24. A stick of sheer color infused with rosehip oil and shea butter for healthy looking lips all day long. It's supposed to be a lip gloss, lip balm and treatment, and lip stain at the same time. Pink Beat Marrakech, which is a more coral version of that. Okay, so that's Marrakech. I guess we can see a little bit of a difference, but honestly, not that much. I am going to go with Marrakech today. I actually used this last night as a lip treatment before I go to bed just because I was so curious, and it was beautiful. And it hydrates my lip the whole night. A little bit on the center of the lip. Use your finger to blend out and blur the line. So when I blend it out, it's almost like the blush. So I bet I can use the blush as a lip treatment or lip balm as well. This is the finished look. I don't know about you, but I am obsessed. It looks so natural. It looks like my skin, but better. Everything looks so soft and stunning. And by the way, I did try to wash my hand. It kind of stained my hand a little bit, which is a great thing. I love lip stains. So, and again, the point here is not to cover everything up. So you can still see some imperfections here and there, some pimples here and there. But the thing is that overall, it just looks so beautiful and smoothing and glowy and just youthful. You know, it's not like you're trying to pile on so much that it aged you up. This whole brand is such a great solution for people who are into more minimalist, more natural makeup, and you're having trouble finding that in the beauty world. The only critique I would have, if I have to be extremely picky, is that the colors of these lip oils are kind of similar because they're more sheer. So on my lips, I can't really tell the difference. Besides that, everything is perfect, you guys. It's really my vibes. Thank you so much to Merit Beauty for sending these my way. I'm so excited to use them. Oh my god, I love everything about it. I'm just gonna sit here and stare at myself in the mirror for hours. See you tomorrow. I will leave the link. It's an affiliate link in the description box so you can pick out your Merit Beauty products. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification button, and share this video with a friend or two. And follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And I will let you go. I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful night, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, Let the mirror shine into your soul. Please, don't flop.